Racenstein started the J.Racenstein Company in 1909 with one thing in mind: customer service. In the beginning, Joe kept his supplies under his bed in his Manhattan apartment while providing product and great service to the early window cleaners of New York City. Joe knew that by helping his fellow cleaners, they could grow together. Early on, he realized he needed to grow and moved the business into the Cable Building on Broadway, where he invited window cleaners from all over the city to come learn and buy supplies that they needed. Building on this drive for customer service, Joe knew that he had to offer the best brands in his shop. When Ettore Stocconi invented the modern squeegee, J.Racenstein was the first to bring the Ettore products back in 1936. This relationship would be cemented now for over 80 years. Doubling down on this effort, when Unger decided to come to Americas, J.Racenstein was the first customer in the 1970s. As Unger's first customer, we've developed a relationship built to last. Supplying all the best brands isn't just smart business, it's just right. And J.Racenstein is in the business of doing what's right. Which is why J.Racenstein isn't just a supply business. We're a customer service company that happens to sell window and building cleaning supplies. This focus is why we've worked with a number of associations, including helped found the IWCA in Lubbock, Texas, 30 years ago. We aren't just about selling squeegees and soap. We're here to help build the industry, which is why we are the leaders in promoting workplace safety and offer a variety of courses to educate the industry. Supporting the industry is an important aspect of J.Racenstein's focus. We've helped either found or support industry associations for over 100 years. Staying in business as long as we have requires staying ahead of the competition. J.Racenstein's a leader in innovation since the early days. We're always supporting new inventions and encouraging the next best thing, including in 2018, going for the ISSA Innovation Award. J.Racenstein implements the best technology to set the bar for the best customer service experience. These core values are what we believe in, which is why we've been around for 110 years and why we will be around for the next century.